Hello everybody, welcome to my lesson day 55. Bugun o'rganadigan birinchi so'zimiz taken. Taken bu take fe'lining 3-shakli. Take, took, taken. Sifat ma'nosida band egallangan degan ma'noni bildiradi. Agar present perfectda ishlatsak, olingan deb tarjima qilamiz. Taken. Taken. Bu o'rindiq bandmi? Is this seat taken? Bu yerda seat o'rindiq degani. Sit bilan sit so'zlarining farqiga qarang. Sit bu o'tirmoq degani. Seat uzunroq i bilan talaffuz qilinadi. Bu o'rindiq degani, ya'ni o'tiriladigan joy. Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? U allaqachon band, ya'ni sevgilisi bor ma'nosida. She is already taken. She is already taken. She's already taken. U mening kitobimni olib qo'ydi. He has taken my book. He has taken my book. He's taken my book. Ushbu fe'llarning 3-shakllarini o'rganib chiqamiz. Come yoki become bular bir xil tuslanadi. O'tgan zamonda came yoki became 3-shaklda come, become. Ya'ni come va run fe'llari 3-shaklda 1-shakli bilan bir xil. Run, ran, run. Leave, left, left. Fly, flew, flown. Spend, spent, spent. Draw, drew, drawn. Wake up, woke up, woken up. Bu fe'llarni yodlab qo'ying. Keyingi so'zimiz wise. Dono, aqlli, donishmand degani. Ot shaklida wisdom deb ishlatiladi, ya'ni donolik, hikmat degani. Dumb bu ot yasovchi qo'shimcha hisoblanadi. Wise, wisdom. U menga aqlli maslahatlar berdi. He gave me some wise advice. He gave me some wise advice. He gave me some wise advice. Dono odam kamroq gapiradi va ko'proq tinglaydi. A wise person speaks less and listens more. A wise person speaks less and listens more. U yig'ilishda katta donolik bilan gapirdi. He spoke with great wisdom during the meeting. Bu yerda great buyuk degani. Lekin great wisdom o'zbek tiliga katta donolik deb tarjima qilinadi. He spoke with great wisdom during the meeting. He spoke with great wisdom during the meeting. Bu kitobda hikmat shunchalik ko'pki, there is so much wisdom in this book. Wisdom sanalmaydigan ot. O'shaning uchun many emas, balki much so'zi ishlatildi. Much wisdom. There is so much wisdom in this book. There is so much wisdom in this book. Keyingi so'zimiz chocolate. Shokolad. Chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate. Men shokolad yeyishni yaxshi ko'raman. I love eating chocolate. I love eating chocolate. I love eating chocolate. Bu tortda shokolad bor. This cake has chocolate in it. Bu yerda this cake has chocolate bu tortda shokolad bor degani. Lekin oxirida in it bu ko'pchilik holatlarda biror narsani tasvirlab, uning tarkibida yoki ichida biror narsa bor desak, oxirida in it deb tugatamiz. This cake has chocolate in it. This cake has chocolate in it. Sutli shokolad xohlaysizmi yoki qora shokolad? Do you want milk chocolate or dark chocolate? Bu yerda qora shokolad dark chocolate deb tarjima qilinadi. Ya'ni dark qorong'u degani. Do you want milk chocolate or dark chocolate? Do you want milk chocolate or dark chocolate? Keyingi so'zimiz fall. Yiqilmoq, qulamoq degani. Tushmoq, pasaymoq ma'nosida ham ishlatiladi. Oldin biza fallni kuz ma'nosida ham o'rgandik, ya'ni kuz fasli. Fall bu noto'g'ri fe'l hisoblanadi. Fall, fell, fallen. Agar biror narsani ustidan qulab tushish ma'nosida ishlatilsa, fall off deb ishlatiladi. Fall, fall off. U velosipeddan yiqildi. Aynan bu yerda velosipedning ustidan yiqildi ma'nosida. He fell off the bike. E'tibor bering, fall off biror narsaning ustidan yiqilib tushish. O'shaning uchun he fell off the bike. He fell off the bike. Piyola tushib sinib ketdi. The cup fell and broke. The cup fell and broke. The cup fell and broke. Ertaga harorat pasayadi. Temperatures will fall tomorrow. Temperatures will fall tomorrow. Temperatures will fall tomorrow. Keyingi so'zimiz across. Bu preposition. Orqali, bo'ylab yoki qarama-qarshi, narigi tomonda deb ham ishlatiladi. Across. Across. Ushbu rasmlarda across predlogining ishlatilishi rasm bilan tushuntirilgan. Birinchi tepadagi rasmga qarasangiz, across agar yo'lni tasavvur qiladigan bo'lsak, yo'lning bu chekkasidan narigi chekkasiga o'tish bu across deb ishlatiladi. Agar yo'l bo'ylab desak, ya'ni uzunasiga, unda along predlogi ishlatiladi. Pastdagi rasmda around atrofida, across bo'ylab, ya'ni biror narsani kesib ichidan o'tilsa ham across ma'nosida ishlatiladi. Into bu ichkariga, pastda yana across A dan B gacha ma'nosida. Ya'ni bo'ylab. Through orqali degan. Towards ga tomonga. O'rganmagan predloglarimizni keyingi darslarda yana ko'rib chiqamiz. Daryo ustidan o'tgan ko'prik bor. There is a bridge across the river. Biza oldin over predlogini ham xuddi shunday ishlatgandik. Over the river, daryo ustidan. Across the river, daryoni kesib ma'nosida. There is a bridge across the river. There is a bridge across the river. U ko'chaning narigi tomonida yashaydi. She lives across the street. She lives across the street. She lives across the street. Biz O'zbekiston bo'ylab sayohat qildik. We traveled across Uzbekistan. We traveled across Uzbekistan. We traveled across Uzbekistan. Keyingi so'zimiz million. Million degani, ya'ni million soni. Millions of millionlab degani. Millionaire bu millioner. Million, millionaire. Million bu katta son. A million is a large number. A million is a large number. A million is a large number. 2.5 million. 2,500,000. 500,000. 2,500,000. 2,500,000. U 25 yosh paytida millioner bo'ldi. She became a millionaire when she was 25. She became a millionaire when she was 25. She became a millionaire when she was 25. Afrikada millionlab odamlar toza suv topa olmaydi. Millions of people in Africa cannot find clean water. Millions of people in Africa cannot find clean water. Millions of people in Africa cannot find clean water. Keyingi so'zimiz over. Bu predlog. Oldin biza over predlogini ustidan deb o'rgandik. Lekin over predlogi sonlar bilan ishlatilganda dan ortiq, dan ko'p, dan yuqori deb tarjima qilinadi. Over. Talabalarning 70% dan ortig'i imtihondan o'tdi. Over 70% of the students passed the exam. Bu yerda percent foiz yoki protsent degani. Percent. Over 70% of the students passed the exam. Over 70% of the students passed the exam. Harorat 40 darajadan yuqori. The temperature is over 40 degrees. Bu yerda degree daraja degani. The temperature is over 40 degrees. The temperature is over 40 degrees. U bu yil 50 dan ko'proq kitob o'qidi. She has read over 50 books this year. Bu yerda present perfect ishlatildi. She has read chunki bu yil hali tugamadi. Demak, shu paytgacha. She has read over 50 books this year. She has read over 50 books this year. Bu bino 300 futdan baland. This building is over 300 feet tall. Bu yerda feet foot degani. Ya'ni oyoq so'zidan olingan. Oyoqning panjasi foot ko'plikda feet deb ishlatiladi. Lekin o'lchov ma'nosida ham foot, ya'ni taxminan oyoqning razmerida olingan o'lchov birligi. Ya'ni 3,3 feet bu 1 metrga teng. Balandliklarni ishlatganimizda gapni tall so'zi bilan tugatamiz. Ya'ni 300 foot balandlik degan ma'noda. This building is over 300 feet tall. This building is over 300 feet tall. Keyingi so'zimiz January. Yanvar. Jan, you, airy. January. January. Yangi yil yanvardan boshlanadi. The new year starts in January. Oila bilan yanvarda, fevralda ma'nosida in predlogidan foydalanamiz. Xuddi shunga o'xshab oy, hafta, kunlar uchun ham in predlog ishlatiladi. January, ya'ni oylarning nomi atoqli ot hisoblanganligi sababli ular katta harf bilan yoziladi. The new year starts in January. The new year starts in January. Mening tug'ilgan kunim yanvarda. My birthday is in January. My birthday is in January. My birthday is in January. Yanvarda odatda sovuq bo'ladi. It is usually cold in January. It's usually cold in January. It's usually cold in January. Biz yanvarda Shveysariyaga sayohat qilamiz. We will travel to Switzerland in January. Switzerland bu Shveysariya degani. Switzerland. Switzerland. We will travel to Switzerland in January. We will travel to Switzerland in January. Keyingi so'zimiz great. Sifat. Ajoyib, zo'r, yaxshi. Ikkinchi ma'nosi katta, buyuk, ulug'. Great. Great. Siz ajoyib ish qildingiz. You did a great job. Great job yoki good job zo'r ish degani yoki молодец deb ham tarjima qilsa bo'ladi. Good job. You did a great job. Zo'r ish qilding degani. You did a great job. Biz ziyofatda zo'r vaqt o'tkazdik. We had a great time at the party. Bu yerda had a great time, ya'ni have a good time yoki have a great time have fe'li bilan ishlatilib, vaqtni zo'r o'tkazmoq degani. We had a great time at the party. We had a great time at the party. Katta bobo, Buyuk Britaniya, Buyuk Aleksander. Ushbu gaplarni great so'zini ishlatib tarjima qiling. Great grandfather, the Great Britain, Alexander the Great. Bu yerda great grandfather ya'ni bobomning otasi ma'nosida. The Great Britain bu davlatning nomi, Buyuk Britaniya. Alexander the Great bu qirol nomlariga ishlatiladigan buyuk so'zi. Ya'ni qirol yoki podshoh nomidan keyin the Great so'zi qo'shilsa, bu buyuk ma'nosini bildiradi. Buyuk Alexander, Buyuk Pyotr va hokazo. Xitoyning buyuk devori juda mashhur. The Great Wall of China is very famous. Bu yerda wall devor degani. The Great Wall of China bu Xitoy buyuk devori. The Great Wall of China is very famous. The Great Wall of China is very famous. Keyingi so'zimiz myself. Bu pronoun olmosh. My va self so'zlarini qo'shib myself o'zim, o'zimni, o'zimga degan ma'noni bildiradi. Myself. Kechki ovqatni o'zim tayyorladim. Ya'ni o'zim pishirdim deb tarjima qiling. I cooked dinner myself. Myself ko'pincha gapni oxirida ishlatiladi. Lekin ba'zan urg'u berish uchun I so'zidan keyin ham ishlatilishi mumkin. I myself cooked dinner. I cooked dinner myself. I cooked dinner myself. Buni o'zim qilaman. I will do it myself. E'tibor bering, I will do it buni men qilaman degani. Ya'ni buni o'zim qilaman deb o'zingizga urg'u bermoqchi bo'lsangiz, u holatda myself qo'shimcha ravishda gapni oxiriga qo'yiladi. I will do it myself. I'll do it myself. O'zim bu voqeaga ishonmayman. Voqeani hikoya deb tarjima qiling. I myself don't believe that story. Bu yerda urg'u ma'nosida ishlatilganligi sababli myself I'dan keyin keldi. I myself don't believe that story. I myself don't believe that story. Bugungi o'rgangan so'zlarimiz ro'yxati. Taken olingan, band, egallangan. Wise, dono, aqlli, donishmand. Wisdom, donalik, hikmat. Chocolate, shokolad. Fall, yiqilmoq, qulamoq, tushmoq, pasaymoq. Across, orqali, bo'ylab, narigi tomonda. Million, million. Over, dan ortiq, dan ko'p, dan yuqori. January, yanvar. Great, ajoyib, zo'r, buyuk, ulug', katta. Myself, o'zim, o'zimga, o'zimni. Ushbu hikoyani eshitib, tushunishga harakat qiling. In January, I visited a small town in the mountains. It was cold and snow was everywhere. I walked slowly because I didn't want to fall. After 10 minutes, I found a bench and took a seat to rest my feet. A man sat next to me. He looked old but kind. He gave me a small piece of chocolate and smiled. You look tired, he said. Yes, I replied. I've taken this long walk to see the famous stone wall up the hill. He nodded. That wall has been here for over 1,000,000 days. It was built by wise men long ago. There is much wisdom in the stones if you look closely. I didn't understand what he meant, but I smiled and said, "Thank you." Then he stood up and walked across the street. I looked around to thank him again, but he was gone. Later, when I reached the wall, I saw something written on one of the stones. To know others is smart. To know yourself is true wisdom. It was a great day, and I learned something important, not just about the wall, but about myself. İkinci marta o'qiyman, ham o'qib, ham eshitib tushunishga harakat qiling. In January, I visited a small town in the mountains. It was cold and snow was everywhere. I walked slowly because I didn't want to fall. After 10 minutes, I found a bench and took a seat to rest my feet. A man sat next to me. He looked old but kind. He gave me a small piece of chocolate and smiled. You look tired, he said. Yes, I replied. I've taken this long walk to see the famous stone wall up the hill. He nodded. That wall has been here for over 1,000,000 days. It was built by wise men long ago. There is much wisdom in the stones if you look closely. I didn't understand what he meant, but I smiled and said, "Thank you." Then he stood up and walked across the street. I looked around to thank him again, but he was gone. Later, when I reached the wall, I saw something written on one of the stones. To know others is smart. To know yourself is true wisdom. It was a great day, and I learned something important, not just about the wall, but about myself. Shu bilan darsimizni yakunlaymiz. Barchangizga katta rahmat. Agar kanalimga hali obuna bo'lmagan bo'lsangiz, albatta obuna bo'lishni unutmang. Darslarga klass bosib qo'ying. Thank you very much. Bye bye.